say these things. Everything have to speak according to their level of the audience or the reader. Understand? Listen to this. Now he's laughing. Huh?
Papa?
Now he's 1 year? 2 years?
Not yet.
Huh?
9 months.
Only
October. He is of Indira Ekadasi.
Indira Ekadasi. Now Ekadasi is Sain Ekadasi.
Going there. Went by so fast.
Huh?
So fast, no more baby. He's trying to walk.
সাজানো পালন করি এক মনে নাম হইল This is the life going on this way. How to maintain our life, how to take care. Huh?
Mamata.
Mine.
Yeah, mine guru.
Oh.
Yeah. Mamata.
Shouldn't
So you did listen very carefully yesterday.
Pardon?
You did listen very carefully yesterday. So now he's practicing it.
It's a nice Harikatha
That's
yesterday.
very nice.
Huh?
Especially the part of the Dikshas. I didn't
Diksha.
understand all, but I have to hear it once again. But how can you know how far you are? What progression?
Actually, try to understand everything is transcendental, aprakita, supernatural. Chanting properly mantra, Gayatri mantra, Guru mantra, then slowly it will be manifest. Right? Madhurya Kadavini Grantha, Gurudev gave 2 examples. How our body will become a body transfers to transcendental. Because Jit Goswami Pad explained this way, material things never transfer in what is called transcendental things never transfer in material. You understand? Material means there inert, jod. Inert jod will never transfer in transcendental because both are completely different. So now question is coming, how, because he are saying Dikha Kali Sishya Kare Atma Sampon, Sei Kali Krishna Tare Kare Atma Samon, Sei Diya Hoy Tar Chidanandamay, Aprakita De Sri Krishna Bhajan. Because Krishna Bhajan means, what do you remember? Bhajan means Seva. Bhajadhatu, Bhajan means to serve, not other thing. You are chanting holy name, that means Krishna Nam Seva. What you are doing for Guru and Krishna, that is called as Seva, service. Now question is coming, Krishna body Sachidananda. Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha. Krishna's Vigraha is Sachidananda. Are our hands, legs, eyes, nose, all our limbs and body, what is that? Material. Just like inert jod. Now question is coming, with our material senses or limbs and body, how to serve Krishna with the embodiment of transcendental Sachidananda. So for this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad giving this slokas, Bhakti Rasamriti, Atas Sri Krishna Namadi no Bhaved Gajya Indriyoi. Krishna Nam Rup Gun Lila. Understand? This is transcendental. Especially Krishna Nam, transcendental. So how will we chant transcendental Krishna Nam with our material tongue? Because our tongue is what?
Gross.
Eh?
Gross.
Material,
Yeah.
jada, inert. Eh? All our limbs and body, that is called material. So for this regard, next line is explained. Atas Sri Krishna Namadi Navavedu Sevan Mukha Jihado Sangas Purtaitada. Here this written this word Sevan Mukha Vritti. Sevan Mukha Vritti means tendency to serve Guru and Krishna. Seva Vritti. Then all our senses will become Tadatma Vritti. Tadatma Vritti means oneness with the potency of Lord. Maybe not completely understand. What is that Tadatma Vritti? Again explain this is Tadatma Vritti. That is called that iron. One iron stick or iron rod. Iron stick cannot burn anything. But same iron rod, if you put in the fire, all the potency or shakti of the fire enter in the iron. That time the iron rod will become red. And that time that iron rod put anywhere burn everything. Because the heat of the fire inside the fire, inside the iron, so iron burning. In the same way, when our tendency will come, tendency will come, serve to Guru and Krishna. That time Krishna's mercy and then all his potency enter in our body. That time our limbs and body will become transcendental. That is called Tadatma Vritti. And that Tadatma Vritti is coming, then we can serve to Krishna. This is the example. Another thing is also explained this way. How possible this body will become transcendental? This is not possible. The next example given this way. That is parsimony. Parsimony is touchstone. Touchstone, if you touch the iron transfer in gold. In the same way, Krishna Nam Ram also as like this. Understand? Then your body will become aprakrit. Then again question you will come in, how possible? Because our conception is that the material will need to transfer material. Because this example has given the touchstone also material. Iron also material. Understand? Parsimony, touchstone also material. Iron also material. So touchstones touch the iron transfer in gold. But both also material. Gold also material. Okay. But now question is how this will? For this, Srimad Bhagavad then explaining this way, doing bhajan and sadhan. Then sadhak will come in the stage of bhava dasha or prema dasha. That time invisible, alakshit, invisible. Then his material body will be disappear and his siddha deha will manifest. Transcendental will manifest. That has given in Srimad Bhagavatam the character of Narad Rishi. You read Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto. Narad Rishi told his own life history, how he attained to abode of Lord and served to Lord. Now this he told. Yeah, when I received Diksha mantra from Guru, then now this is like this you know now.
Fifth chapter.
Many times I told. Eh?
The fifth chapter.
Fifth chapter of first canto.
Canto 1, yes.
That's called Narad and Vyasa Samvad, the conversation between Narad Rishi and Vyasa Devi. Narad Rishi told, I was born in the son of one maid servant. That's Sanskrit word, that's called Dasi Putra. And my mother, she was widow. That means when Narad Rishi born, after him, then his father left body. Then Srimad Bhagavad did not mention the name of
The father.
his father's name. But his mother nourishment to him. And then when he grew up 5 years old, then once some sadhu rishi munis came and very near by his village. That is called Chaturmasya, you know. Now Chaturmasya is going on. Actual, yesterday I told from the Ekadasi, Chaturmasya. Yeah? So, that time sadhu rishi they are not traveling. So rishi munis are staying in there. And then Narad Rishi's mother every day used to go to serve sadhus. Just cleaning their place and this. Then Narad Rishi baby, only 5 years old, he also used to go with his mother. Narad Rishi every day listen Hari Katha. Narad Rishi told, when I was small, 5 years old, so every day I listen Hari Katha. So particular sadhus, they very pleased with me. Then one day one sadhu gave me mantra, just simple Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Every day I chant this mantra also. Every day I took the remnants of sadhus and so just little bit something, you also cleaning their, what is called, Achman cup, you know, Achman cup. You know. This. But I don't want to go away from the sadhus. I want to stay with sadhus. But when sun goes down, then my mother forced me
By force.
take back house. I don't want to come. But every day I pray, my mother is obstacle to stay with sadhus. Then one day Lord also listened my prayer. Then one day my mother was
Milking the cow.
milking the cows. In the meantime, one black serpent came and bite her. Then she left body. Then I become very happy. No one can stop me. When sadhu left, after 4 months sadhu left, then I also traveled with sadhu and chanting this mantra. Very nice, beautiful description you can read. Then and chanting this mantra, so much eagerness coming, how to take darshan to Lord. Then every day I pray, Hey Lord, Prabhu, give me darshan. Then one just lightning came from the sky. Then I saw beautiful form of Lord Narayana. Bhagavad darshan. Sangha Chakra Gada Padma, he gave me darshan. Then I fainted. Now this is saying. Then I fainted. How is beautiful form? I don't know how long. When I returned back my consciousness, again I remember the beautiful form of God. I again and again asked my Lord, please give darshan. Then transcendental sound, vibration came. Then Narad, no, you cannot take darshan. When you, what is time? Called the predicted time will come. When you give up this body, then you attend my Vaikuntha Dham and you can see my beautiful form. From that day and night, I am remembering and chanting this mantra, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Just I was waiting for my predictive time. Then, so for this regard, I am thinking I will not stay in the where the people are staying. I will stay Vanastu Satyako Bhasa. I will stay alone in the forest. And this is it. And mind desire. In this way, I do bhajan and sadhana. Then, when my predicted time will come, then I give up this body. And I receive my transcendental constitutional form, Siddhadeva. Then I attain abode of love. Here this saying Srimad Bhagavatam has written. Here Nargasi, how did he do? He gave up his body. That is called this word alakshit. That means invisible. In the same way, sadhak will bhajan and sadhan. When he predicted time will come, then his transcendental body will manifest, then attain to his abode, Bhagavad Dham. Understand? This is the process actually. When you do bhajan and sadhan, then your predicted time will come. Krishna arrange everything. We are going to learn. So this is right. So yesterday I told how to at Bhagavad Darshan, what stage we take darshan to Lord?
Bhav.
At the stage of
Bhav.
Bhava.
But can we attain this in one life, or do we need to come back for this stage? Bhav. Can we attain this in one life, in this life?
Depends on the speed of your bhajan.
Okay. So we do more.
How much you chanting holy names, how much you speed.
And of course, your mercy, of course.
Yes, sometimes
Guru mercy.
also saying one story. One person, he was going on the field going to catch that train station.
Yes.
He does not know how far the train station. So, when he was walking on the field, that time he saw one farmer, he was plowing the field. Then he asked the farmer who was plowing, hey, how far along the train station? The farmer, he did not say anything. Then he became very angry. Hey, what kinds of you are person? I asked 2 times, 3 times, hey, farmer, Krisaka, tell to me how far along the train station. He did not say, just he was looking. Then, when that person he started to walk, wait, I'll tell you. When I was asked, you did not say, when I started to walk. But when you asked me, how far from the train station, that time I saw you standing position. And now you are walking, I am looking your speed of your walk. So now calculate maybe 5 minutes. Do you understand? That means is what? How much you are chanting holy names, how much your bhajan is. Everything depends on the speed of your bhajan. And this is also going step by step. Shraddha, sadhusanga, bhajana kriya, bhakti, nishta, ruchi, asakti. This life possible? I know. Understand? You cannot say, oh, many
Lives.
that life, that life. You cannot say.
Because human life is not guaranteed.
Huh?
Because human life is not guaranteed.
You can get darshan to Lord. I know. But sometimes Lord is very merciful. Even not attain the bhava dasha. Sometimes Lord in his inconceivable potential, achintya sakti. Inconceivable potential. Sometimes in your dream also giving darshan to you. Because that time you have so much eagerness will come. That is called sapnik darshan. Possible, why not? Because Lord has achintya sakti.
All power.
Then your eagerness will come. Yes, how to take darshan. So you see that is. Do bhajan and sadhana this way. step by step you
Develop.
develop your bhajan and sadhana. Don't become crazy. Yeah, sometimes they become crazy. Oh, just now I will attend. Huh? Understand? Do bhajan happen step by step. Huh? You cannot jump. Do bhajan. Yeah? For this guy I am saying also. Okay, first chant 2 rounds, then 4 rounds, 8 rounds, 6 rounds, yeah? 16th rounds. Then step by step you can develop it. Yeah? Otherwise you think, no, one day I will do that.
Process.
Process is step by step. You understand now?
Yes.
So actually we don't do bhakti, Krishna does bhakti.
Hmm?
We don't do bhakti, it's Krishna, because you say bhakti is transcendental, seva is transcendental, because we cannot do with our...
No, you are doing bhakti, but
Okay.
it's when your bhakti will be mature and
Mature.
transformed. Step by step. You are doing bhakti. Bhakti is 3 stages also. One is called Arup Siddha Bhakti, then Sangha Siddha Bhakti, then Sarup Siddha Bhakti. Arup means, could remember, Arup means imposing. Understand?
Impose.
Imposing means is that Guru told you,
Hmm.
this Vigraha is transcendental, but you have no realization.
Okay.
Eh? So just you imposing, you have no realization. And you are worshipping your Thakurji Vigraha. Eh? This is called Arup. Arup means imposing. What Guru told you and you did, that is imposing now. That is called Arup. And in this way, doing that, then second stage will come. And what is it called? Sangha Siddha. Sangha Siddha means with the company of Sadhu Guru, listen Hari Katha, then slowly develop, slowly all the good qualification manifest in your heart. That is called Sadgun. What did he say?
Sadguna.
What is Sadgun? Good
Qualities comes from sadhu.
Yes. They should come. What are the good qualities? What is the bad qualities?
Anger, lust,
And Sattva, Socha. Sattva means truthfulness. Sattva, Socha, cleanliness, Daya, compassion, mercy, and the 26 types of Vaishnava good qualities will manifest in your heart, step by step. And 26 Vaishnava qualities. Sattva, Socha, Daya, Pavitra, Astika. Astika means from faith with and Shastra and Viswas and this good qualification automatically come. And so how this Sangena Siddha Jayati iti Sangha Siddha. So with the association of devotee, pure devotees, then good qualifications will come. And with this good qualification coming, that means you are developing your bhajan and sadhana. And every day chanting holy names, worship your deities, and Gayatri Mantra, what this is? A good qualification will come. And learn Shastra, Shastra Adhyan, and study some Shastra every day to learn the slokas of Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, Chaitanya something like that. Shastra Gyan. The knowledge of the scriptures. But the knowledge of the scripture, this is not enough. Simultaneously, we have to
Yes, Hari.
realization. Try to realize. Realization will come. This is. So all these sadguna will come. How to give love and affection all the devotees. Give respect to the seniors, love and affection with the juniors. Understand? This type will come. Affection going towards the down. Love is going to up. You understand?
Love and
What the
affection.
meaning?
Affection to the
Affection
younger.
going to the down.
To the younger.
And love going to up. What does that mean? Affection means sneha. Sneha going towards those who are junior. And love going towards who is seniors. Eh? Understand? Sneha going towards
Junior.
junior. That may give an
Beginning.
example. Sneha, this word, sneha means affection. Given the material. Mother, she gives love and affection with her baby. Her baby, they gave her love and affection, their parents. So love going up, that means this is what using this word. You understand or not? What do you understand?
I think a little bit. A little bit. Yeah, because we are.
Sneha.
Yes,
Sneha means
yes,
affection.
affection.
Like the Pandavas. You.
Affection is going inward. Eh? I love my mother, but no one is saying I have affection with my parents. Eh? You understand? When you write the letter, I don't know what you're writing. Mother's father, then your affection, which is going to those who are junior, affection is going. A love is going to the up. I love my guru. No one can say I have an affection my guru. This word is not using. Using this word, I love. Love to going to up for the money, senior, or affection going to down. Money, junior to be. Here down means this is not the material things. Money, junior or senior. You understand?
Yes, but it's difficult in Dutch. We don't have that in Dutch.
Dutch?
Yeah.
Affection. Affectie.
You use both the terms
Yeah.
both ways.
Pardon?
In Dutch, you can say in both ways.
Both ways.
Yeah.
Love and affection. It goes
That's
together.
why it's difficult.
Huh?
That's why it's difficult because in Dutch I got love for my Prabhu, but I've also have some affection for him. In Dutch we have
Same.
Both.
Yeah,
it
both.
goes
We have
together.
both.
It goes together in
Yeah.
Dutch.
What you writing the letter? You write your son. What you write? You
I
writing
love you.
after you are there.
I-
You put absence,
Yes, I
I.
understand.
I love you.
eh?
Or I have
Mother.
affection.
Eh? A son writing here. Eh? This is the saying. I love my mother, but you are not saying I am.
I have
This
affection
one, affection
for you.
with my
Yeah,
mother.
yeah.
This word is not coming. Eh?
Yeah.
English word you say. Yeah. This is eh? Understand?
But then again, one time you explained snehat decrease bhakti, like snehat, like the Pandavas. If you have snehat, because there are like 6 types of attaining the
That is
Lord
another context.
under snehat,
This is
under meaning.
another context. This is not Sadhu.
Okay, but it's the same word or different
No, no,
meaning?
no.
Okay,
Pandavas, they are love and
Yeah.
affection with Krishna.
opulent mood.
Sneha.
Ah,
Eh?
yes.
That is another context.
Okay.
How to their relationship.
Okay.
But we are discussing about first is the material world.
Okay.
And understand?
Yes.
Parents when they are writing their letters to his their and आपकी स्नेहाशीष I am giving my love and affection to you. And this is the way. Some etiquette. Understand? Some etiquette is going on. And so try to understand the philosophy. And step by step do bhajan and sadhana.
I think the little children, they are very lucky. They have a lot of time to do it.
Huh?
We have to speed up more. because I'm already old.
Our body is old, but the Atma is always
Sachidanand.
Yes, she learns when we talk about something or when we get it home from Harikata, and then she says, "Hey, did you hear this?" And then, how can you hear that? I was there too. I didn't hear that. So it's like my mind is like, how do you call it, Chanda?
Polite.
Bhakti not depend on these things. So I told just knowledge is not enough. Yesterday, knowledge is what? You learn some shastra, committing the memory, bounty the paper. This is not that. Simultaneously, okay, you learn shastra, this is true. But simultaneously to realization. So, science, two things. One is called theoretical, another is called practical. Both need. So in the acquire the knowledge, study the shastra, that is called the theoretical. Understand? Or practical is here. Realization will come slowly.
But it's not necessary that you have to know.
Pardon?
It is not necessary to have all the knowledge.
This is no need. Knowledge is not enough. According some brain also very sharp can learn knowledge. This is not. We are not giving too much intense for the knowledge, but give the knowledge, okay. This is our aim and object, not to acquire the knowledge. But you have to acquire the knowledge. But this is not the only the focus. You know? Gyanis, they are focused to how to acquire the knowledge. Or bhakti, they are focused to how to get the realization. Two things. But you have to acquire the knowledge. Bhakti also is it. Gyanis focus is what? What did I say? Focus, understand?
Knowledge.
Knowledge. How to acquire the knowledge. Our bhaktas, they are focused to realization. But so both need also. We are not neglect the knowledge. Okay, you have to acquire the knowledge. But this is not your main
Cause.
object. Object how to do. This is the thing.
Just like Gopkumar, Johnson, without practicing bhakti,
Huh?
Gopkumar, John Sarma, how we attained the highest position without even doing bhakti.
Janasarma is the Brahmana. Bhakti, Gopkumar, his concentration, that is called Sarup.
Yes. He played the role like conditioned soul.
Two persons,
Okay.
not same.
Not same.
One is named Gopkumar,
Yes.
or another Janasarma Sarma, you are the Brahmana, Mathur Brahmana. You are mixed together. Brother Bhagavatam.
Yes.
Then Janasarma, that means Mathur Brahman, then just he has faith. He listens. All katha from Gopkumar. But still, Gopkumar's spiritual name is Sarup.
Yes, okay, yes.
So Mathur Brahmana, Janasarma. Then he listened Hari Katha, but still realization not coming. Then Gopkumar just touch his head with the hand. Then all things realization comes.
Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Shastra Koi.
It's fine. But if you say, Maharaj, touch my head, then realization comes. No, you have to listen. When you qualify, then come. Just touching. First you listen, then develop bhajan and sadhana, then you slowly to develop. This is the process. Otherwise, many times also touching, nothing.
Maybe
This
this
is
is
your
realization, yeah.
Huh? Okay? Nice. He sings Bunny. Nice singer, eh?
Yeah, she likes to sing.
She also playing harmonium, good.
Yes,
I have to
harmonium.
practice a little more.
Huh? Yeah.
I still make faults sometimes.
Huh?
I still make faults sometimes.
But you have to practice.
Yeah, practice. Sorry.
She has to focus because she now wants to
Pardon?
play. She has to focus on one thing, I think, because she wants to also play bansuri and then playing harmonium, then playing that.
Hey, focus to the harmonium, good. Many things you will do, then very difficult to her. She going to a school or college now?
College now. Is I'm using college, VWO, gymnasium.
Gewoon van middelbare school.
It's like high.
High school.
High school. And she's on school.
Hmm?
She's on school.
Oh.
And I'm on the high school.
Actually, high school is not. HBO is geen high school, toch, jullie?
Nee. Ja, anders is het 4 jaar veranderd.
Maar hoe zeg je in het Engels? Als je
Middelbare school, middelbare school.
Oh,
Which class is it in?
she's going to the 4th class. So
From the
she
6
has-
years.
From the 6 years.
Oh.
And she's going to the last from the
Lower.
Primary school.
primary school.
That's good.
So she has to do extra her best. Because she said, I want to do the same school as her sister, so she has to do upper mathematics. We will practice unification.
Can you see your homework, what you get from school? Can you see that also as Seva? Is that
Huh?
also...
Homework?
Homework
Mm-hmm.
from school. If she got, she asking, is that also Seva? If she gets schoolwork.
It's like it's similar when you earn money and you when you use the money for Krishna Seva, then it's Seva. I think.
Okay, thank you. Yeah?
And in the song of Vaishnava Thakur, they say Chaya Satsanga. Give me the 6 kinds of association. But what are the 6 kinds?
Yeah? Sadhu. Sadhu is dadati, pariginnati, gujamakyati, pichati, bhunti, bhojati, chaiva. Tadavidha,
Priti.
pretty person. This is called sadhu sangha. And satsanga means this is giving, receiving. Dadati, pariginnati. Gujamakyati. Gujamakyati, you ask your any confidence of your bhajan sadhana. Gujamakyati. Prichati when you ask your any question or any doubts are coming from your heart. Actually, bhungte bhajate chaiva, feed to sadhu and take his remnant. What is the remnant? What is the sadhu's remnant? Harikatha. This is very important. Understand? Yeah, nice family. Sweet family. Huh?
What's your most favorite bhajan?
Bhajan.
ગુરુના ભોજીમય સંદેશ શકલે
Guruna bhajan.
મનપ્રાનો દિયારે
This is actually not our what is it called? Bhaktivinoda Thakur song. What we did intent or Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Natam Das Thakur Kirtan. Guru na bhajanu Sunday Sakale. Actual, this is our
Bengal. Bengal. Bhajan.
Bengal. Actual, this is in their traditional song. That is called a folk song. Folk song, understand? Yes. And this is written by that Vaishnava or not, I don't know. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Natam Das Thakur song, this is in the line of that Chaitanya. So for this regard, we are not following this, just for attract the people sometimes singing. Guru na bhajinu Sande Sakale Mono Prana Diya.
पूरा ये गरमो चांदेरे जानो अपना कर्मो दोषे रे प्राणे बंधो भरे. It's nice song.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah? When I was small, when 7 or 8 years old or 6 years old, that time we are actually this is our traditional song,
Culture.
culture. Crying. अरे हमारा प्राण बांध दाऊ देखा दाऊ
Do ya kore.
हैं
हाँ. Life after life. Life after life. To attain you. Yeah.
Is it also in the Gita Gucci?
No. That's what Gurudev was saying. It's not from the Gita songbook. It's just folk song, just culture song of Bengal.
cultural song.
Gurudev, nahi jaan.
Okay. हैं